Hey, it's Mark Podolsky, the Land Geek again from landgeek.com. The next frequently asked question is, how much money do I need to start out? And I started with $3,000. My buddy Dran started with $800. Paul Mandel, one of my clients, had like $100. He just did a mailing. Um, he got an accepted offer, didn't have the money to buy the property. He basically said, it's going to take me 90 days to do due diligence. It takes two. And he sent out neighbor letters, which we teach you how to do. And the neighbor said, yeah, I want to buy that property. And essentially he got an infinite ROI because the neighbor bought the property, paid Paul. Paul then paid his seller. And in doing that, he said, record this deed first, record this deed second. He made $10,000. So to answer the question, you don't need much money. Ideally, I'd like to see you start with $5,000. But again, I started with $3,000. Duran started with $800. If it's really, really tight, $500 will get you into your first mailing, and then we can help you from there and start building that war chest of cash. But that's not the question you should have asked. Click the link below to see the question you should have asked.